Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have the details about Bitbama withdrawal, the staking, and how to send to Bitmart exchange. So Bitbama listed on Bitmart exchange, and then they listed for about $10. Sorry, 10 cents. They listed for 10 cents actually, and okay, as you can see, the current price here, 3 cents, or let me just say approximately 4 cents. So now, how do you get to withdraw your Bitbama from the app to the Bitmart exchange and what have you? Currently, at the moment, they are only trading on Bitmart. No other exchange has listed Bitbama. So if you are interested, like maybe you wish to take profit or something, then you have to have a Bitmart account. So I'll drop the registration link to join the Bitmart exchange in the description box. Check the description box for the registration link, and you can as well join the my Telegram community so you don't miss out on any of my updates. So you go back to your app if you've done the KYC. If you're yet to do the KYC on Bitbama, the KYU, you will not be able to withdraw. So if you are yet to do it, just go ahead and complete your KYU first before you will be able to withdraw. Then thereafter, you come back to the app. The app is on App Store as well as Play Store. Then come back to the app. Then you have to do the on-chain activity. You have to do the social media activity so that you'll be able to withdraw. Make sure you first of all update the app if you've downloaded the app before now, because they released the updated version of the app yesterday. So if you are using the old version, first of all update, then come to this on-chain. If you're here to do your KYC, I'll drop the registration link. The registration link to join Bitbama. You can still join Bitbama and be claiming the tokens every day. They've not ended the claiming, so you can still claim. And the video to do the KYU, I will attach it to the video. Check the description box so you can get to understand how we are what's up. So to do the task, the first thing you need to do is you need to connect your Twitter account. You need to connect your X account. You see, for every migration, an equivalent amount migrated is automatically staked. You can only migrate once every 7 days, and the maximum amount of BAMA you can migrate per time is 12.5%. So you will be allowed to withdraw 12.5% of your available balance. The available balance, you see what I'm having as my available balance. So from here is what I will be able to withdraw. So if you are yet to have anything in your available balance, that means you are not qualified to withdraw. But if you've done your KYU, you definitely have something on your available balance. So if you are yet to do it, just watch the video on how to do it and you can proceed. So thereafter, you come to this on-chain. Because I've connected my X account, you have to connect your Twitter, then make a post. The post is your migration calendar. You will be able to migrate your BAMA when it elapses. So you have to make a post, and after you've connected your Twitter, then make a post. Then after you're done making the post, you have this page by default. The wallet address you use to do your KYU is what you've been seeing here. Then the contract address. Copy this contract address, add it on your wallet. The same wallet you use to do your KYC is what you should add this contract address to. So copy the contract address, add it, and automatically you see your transferable balance. The moment you connect your X account, you make the tweet like I'm migrating something, you see the tweet. Once you click on that on-chain, it will tell you connect X, then make the tweet, then come back. You'll be seeing this page. You see how much you'll be able to withdraw, the number of tokens you'll be able to withdraw. Then this is what you have. Then they will give you I think 24 hours. I did this yesterday, last night. So I'm having 6 hours left. So at the end of these 6 hours left, I will come back here to make this withdrawal to my wallet. At the end of these 6 hours, that means if you do it today, at the end of 24 hours, that's when this 262 tokens will be able to will be migrated to my wallet. Then I will be able to do it once every week, once in 7 days. You see, once every 7 days. So I'll be able to withdraw 12.5% of whatever in my available balance in 7 days, every 7 days rather. So after this 6 hours elapses, as for me, I'll come back to this page, then place I will just type 262. It's still showing the countdown. After this countdown elapses, then I'll see migrate. I'll click on that migrate, and this token will be sent to this wallet, the same wallet I use for my KYC. Then by the adding the contract address, then I'll be able to see my tokens. Then I will now go back to my wallet under Arbitron network. You are to add this address under Arbitron network. As you can see here, I've added it. You see Arbitron 1. So you just need to add this address under Arbitron network, then place your withdrawal. After, you see migrate BAMA is waiting for this countdown. After this countdown, I'll just type it and I'll click on that migrate BAMA, and that's it. They'll send it to my wallet. Then for my wallet, I can now send to Bitmart exchange to go sell for USDT, and from there you can transfer your USDT to whichever exchange or wallet you want to send to. For those that bought the Bitbama pre-sale, some people are expecting that, okay, they should not be listing for 10 cents. The thing is, this project is a long time project, and for the fact that they did pre-sale, so you should not be expecting something higher. That was why I didn't even promote the pre-sale actually, because I know most people are interested in all these fast. Anything that involves pre-sale, you should know that the company or the project is trying to raise liquidity. They are trying to raise funds to finance their projects. Thereby, you should zero your mind, as in limit your expectation, and always think for a long time. So for Bitbama is for investors, and so other tokens as well. Some other projects, they are for investors. No projects want to give out money for you to now dump their project. Every project is preparing their this thing for bull run. So that's what they are trying to do. Most projects, they are preparing their project for bull run. So they will not allow you to come and dump on them and you make you want to take the project out of the way. No. So that's why any project they are doing now, any token you are buying now, have the mindset of an investor. Long time go. Bull run is the goal. So don't start looking for they listed for 3 cents, they listed for 4 cents, whatever. Just old. That's it. So if you are after I'm done migrating for today, I'll do this in the next 6 hours. Then I'll wait till another 7 days. I'll come back to withdraw another 12.5% of my tokens. So that's for the withdrawal. So now for the staking, I'll come to this staking. And guys, if you are interested in testnet and alpha video guys, alpha video guide, all these testnet airdrop that I've been posting, that I've been sharing, if you are interested in the video guide, just like we are making videos for all of these that are not testnet, join my YouTube membership. It's cost a token for monthly fee. Join my YouTube membership. You earn, you learn. You are learning and you are earning. Because we are gonna be I'm gonna be putting you through on how to do testnet and alphas airdrop. And as you're doing it, you are getting it right with all of this airdrop, and you thereby making money for yourself. Because that is where the real money is. It's free to do testnet. At least some major testnets, they are free. but you need the knowledge to do them. So you need to empower yourself to make more money if you are interested to scale up in this crypto space. So I'll drop the membership link to the description box and in the pin post in the comment section. Join my membership if you are interested in testnet and alpha video guide. That is exclusive premium content. It's not going to be the general. So join the membership, scale up your skill in this crypto space and earn more. The more you know, the more you earn. And you can also reach out to me on my Telegram. Join the Telegram community. Check my WhatsApp contacts from the pin post on the Telegram community. If you are interested to in the list of potential coins to buy and hold against bull run, you want to learn about cryptocurrency from the scratch or from the beginner, you want to learn about futures trading or forex trading, join my Telegram community. Check the pin post on the Telegram page to reach out to me on WhatsApp. Only for paid services, please. Paid services, reach out to me on WhatsApp, or sponsorship, reach out to me on WhatsApp. Every other airdrop questions, please drop it in the comment section here. Alright guys, so for the staking on Bitbama, you see you can also stake your what's it called, your BAMA after you've gotten it to your wallet. So you just go to staking.io. Let me go back to staking. Okay, for myself, I will be staking because there's no point selling a token that I know that it will do well for and be selling for 3-4 cents. That's peanuts. So even considering the fact that I have 2,000 tokens to sell, but trust me guys, it's gonna be worth more. It's just a matter of time. You have to be patient. So holding is the key to get rich in this crypto space. You need the knowledge, you need the patience, and you need the consistency to make money in this space. So I'll just go to bama.io/staking on my DApp browser in my wallet. So after I have received the Bitbama in my wallet, if I yet to receive it on in your wallet, you will not be able to stake. After you've received it, you see connect wallet. You click on this and click on connect wallet. You'll be needing ARB Ethereum as gas fee. BAMA is listed is launched under Arbitrum network. So you'll be needing ARB Ethereum as gas fee, to stake as gas fee, and also to withdraw to Bitmart exchange. If you are going to be selling for USDT, you need ARB Ethereum as gas fee. So that's it. So for those that will be interested in the staking, come to I'll drop the staking link in the description box as well. Connect your wallet, enter the amount you want to stake, and that's it. Then you start getting, you see the APY that you'll be getting, and that's all. So instead of just holding, the moment you are unlocking, you are migrating every 7 days, put it to staking, put it to work, except you want to send to Bitmart exchange to sell. But if you are not selling, just stake and make your token work for you to earn more. So that's the goal. Holding is the goal to get rich in this crypto space. So check out other videos on other fantastic airdrop that I've been sharing so far. The lava airdrop, the get grass, and what have you. I can't even start remembering all of them at the moment. So just check out my channel. Check out the videos that you are yet to take position on, and you can also join the Ethermail. I'll do the registration link to get started on Ethermail. Ethermail is simple. Connect your wallet and make sure you've had at least a transaction on Ethereum main network for you to qualify on Ethermail. I might have to make a subsequent video on that Ethermail with time. So guys, this is all about the Bitbama withdrawing and staking and what have you. Stay tuned, get position, be active on my channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the Telegram community, reach out to me on WhatsApp for any of my paid services. List of potential coins to buy and hold for the next bull run. You want to learn about cryptocurrency from scratch, you want to learn about futures trading, and join my YouTube membership community. A paid membership community is an affordable one for testnet and alphas airdrop. Stay tuned. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.